Hi there, Melody from WTI.
And if you're looking for a side table that's both cute and versatile, something you can use in the bedroom or the living room, well, look no further. I am in love with this little wooden table from YUHFERA. It's beautiful, wooden, so sturdy. It comes in a lot of different colors, but I really like this rich color. Not only does it hold your phones, it also holds your tablet to make life a lot easier for you. And even more, it swivels. And there's still more. This little tabletop adjusts in height. It goes from 18 inches all the way up to 33, which is perfect. Because as we know, not all chairs in your living room or your home are exactly the same height. So the fact that it adjusts in height is absolutely amazing. I love the area of the tabletop. It's good for doing your homework, for eating, for just chilling out, watching your favorite show. Maybe you want to spend some time relaxing on the couch doing some shopping or just catching up on the latest and the greatest. You're going to absolutely love this little wooden table from YUHFERA.
And that's my point of view.